Are you brand new to fitness or are just getting back on track and want a quick, effective workout that's specifically designed for weight loss? Well, in this video, I will be leading a 10-minute beginner-friendly workout that you can do anytime, anywhere, so let's get ready. Now, before we get into the workout, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know every single time I post a new workout video or diet nutrition video. Hey, my name is Jenny J. I'm a nationally certified personal trainer, group fitness instructor, and online nutrition coach with over 10 years of experience working in the health and fitness industry. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking it down step by step so that you know exactly what to do if you're just getting started with your fitness journey or are just getting back on track with your workout routine. We'll be performing 5 exercises, 45 seconds on, followed by 15 seconds of rest. We'll do all 5 exercises and then repeat it again for a total of 2 rounds. As always, go at your own pace and make sure to let me know in the comments how the workout went for you at the end of this video. So let's get to it. In the squat to calf raise, make sure that your feet are shoulder distance apart. Stand heavy in your heels, light in your toes, sink your hips back and down as if you're sitting in a chair. Make sure that your core is nice and tight, belly button to the spine, shoulders back, chest is up, and booty is low. For the alternating standing hand to toe kicks, make sure that you're really crunching your core every single time you tap your hand to your foot. If you lack the range of motion, you do not have to kick your foot all the way up, and you can also bend the knee if you need to. Make sure to stand up nice and tall and keep this nice and quick. Kids on their skateboards, you stepping up to me. For the duck walk to cross jab, make sure that you're sitting nice and low in a squat, and then when you cross jab, cross and rotate from the core, making sure you twist from the hips and knees so that you can stay in alignment and make sure that you are practicing proper form as you twist and rotate, keeping that core nice and tight. For the inchworms, make sure that you're standing feet shoulder distance apart, drop the chin to the chest, round the spine, walk those hands out to a plank position. Stack the shoulders on top of those wrists, hips are down, squeeze the glutes, and activate the core, then walk those hands back towards your feet and roll up to a stand.
On, off and on again, clinging to slight hope.
elbow to knee crunches, make sure that your knees are bent, elbows are wide, chin is off your chest. Crunch up your opposite shoulder to opposite knee, focusing on squeezing those obliques and twisting from side to side.
I
so much for working out with me today. Now, if you enjoyed today's workout, please like and comment below and let me know how the workout went for you. Now listen up, before you go, if you're looking to lose weight but lack the motivation, need the accountability, and want to lose 1 to 2 pounds a week and keep it off for good, I am so excited to announce that I am hosting an 8-week weight loss program to help you lose 1 to 2 pounds a week. I'm looking for women who are ready to make a change in their lives, who are ready to reveal the bodies that they've always wanted, and finally achieve their healthy habits and maintain them long term. I have helped so many people change their lives through my weight loss challenges and programs, and I'm so excited to help those who are ready to just shed that quarantine weight. So if that is you and you're looking for that support, motivation, and accountability, go ahead and check out the link in my description below this video. There is a survey to let me know what you're looking for, and I will be choosing 3 people who fill out that survey for a free spot in my 8-week weight loss program. So if you're interested in getting that giveaway or interested in signing up for the program, go ahead and check out the link in the description below. As always, feel free to check out any of my workout videos that I post on my YouTube here, and I will see you in the next workout. Thank you so much for watching.